Hello, welcome back. We create a new relation between article and user. Uh, for access the data in home and open home controller in index. For access this data, we can use dollar user and find user 1. Okay, find user 1 and return dollar user access to in dollar user access to articles, write articles, and we can use get method for get all article of user 1. If refresh this page, we can get article 21 and other 2, 3, 4 and other. We can get user 5, and if refresh we can see 1, 2 and other. We can get id 4. If refresh, this is data is empty. Install Laravel and debugger. In GitHub, use this Laravel debugger for debug data, and Composer require this line and wait to install Composer. Install this, extract and generate optimize. Okay, PHP artisan vendor this and publish vendor complete, and if refresh, just for usage we can use this edit message using a facade when this, and start and stop when this. I use this line start, or this line we can start a debugger. In Laravel 8 I not need added any in this code and use debugger. If run Composer required and install on Laravel project, debugger running all project, and we can use this. For using of article we can use copy this, and for example $article and or article, find of article and find article 4, for example. Return $article, and in article I access with user. Okay, for access the user we can use this user and id. Okay, return this. If refresh, id 5. I install a query debugger, and for this Laravel to see query data. For example, select article ID for limit 1, and we can get this. If remove ID, we can get user. See the username and other.